Hey everybody,
Hey everybody,
that's Robert,
that's Julie.
and it's our thing.
Yeah, it is.
Take two.
And now for something completely different.
Okay, so I make t-shirts. Well, I have one of my favorite YouTubers. I'm making her family t-shirts. And they're kind of all the same. And so I got her sons and her daughters, which are twins, and I got one purple and one pink. So they can fight over who wants what. And I hope they fit them. But I got t-shirts. Joann's has them on sale for right now for $2.99.
Which is about as cheap as we can get them at our other places we get them.
Yeah, our Aviva is like $3 something. Unless I buy a whole bunch, and then it's discounted.
And then we're not buying a whole bunch anymore.
Well, not right now.
Not for
anyway.
a while.
So anyway, this is what I'm going to be doing. But they're $2.99. Youth, small, babies, you name it, it's done. Then everybody knows I have a love for coffee cups. And you know, my babies, which are the kits in the back, the kittens, I found a cup that says Mama needs more coffee. Very appropriate.
I had to get her coffee yesterday.
Yeah.
Coffee and creamer, otherwise she was having withdrawals and spasming out on the
No, I was having a headache.
She was spasming out in her chair.
Okay, it's very hard for me to find scissors to fit my hands. Because I have arthritis and my thumb, it's very uncomfortable to cut. In most of these scissors, well, Fisker sells the best scissors.
Fiskars?
Yes, because they're not straight like normal ones are. This one is actually rounded for your thumb, and your thumb, when you're using it, fits in there comfortably. And it doesn't hurt, it doesn't put pressure on it.
Ergonomics.
And,
Ergonomics.
huh?
Ergonomics.
What does that mean?
I mean, it's kind of fitted for you.
Oh. So anyway, and they were what, regular $19.99?
$18.
$18.
Yeah.
And they were on sale for
$7.49.
$7 something. And so I was like, there's a bigger pair that I saw that I wanted, but they were a little bit heavier, and I was like, no, I don't think there's any way that I'll be able to cut fabric and work those scissors with my shoulder. Well, I needed some more black vinyl for what I'm doing for his sister and him for Valentine's Day.
It's one of those holidays.
For Halloween.
Boo.
And so this is for that. Now, I make pot holder bowls. I don't have one to show you. And last year, I went around looking for the Stars, Texas Rangers, Cowboys, Dallas Cowboys, Mavericks fabric, and I couldn't find any. Could not find any anywhere. And that was during football season. So today when we went, I found material. And they had it on sale on top of that, didn't they?
Yeah, they did.
But I got some Stars material.
Don't let her fool you. She's actually a Bruins fan. Through and through, she is a Bruins fan. But in where we live, everybody lives, breathes Stars except her.
I bet I'm the only one that breathes Bruins. Oh, besides Mikey.
Oh yeah, there's 2 Bruins fans in town, so there you go.
And then I've got the Texas Ranger.
We're back to the usual form.
And then I did a generic Dallas. They had several, but I want to see how much I can cut, how many I can cut from one before I go hog wild and buy a whole bunch of material, because I'm known to do that. And then I'm known to have the material sit around for months and months and years.
You're a hoarder.
Fabric is not hoarding. Just because it's fabric, it does not mean it's hoarding.
Okay. All right, I thought.
And then I got just a generic Mavericks. That is Mavericks, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that's the generic
So
Mavericks logo.
when I do this on my channel, but I'm gonna show how to make these on this channel. This is one of the things that I'm gonna be working on, and I think that's it.
Yeah, it was a real small Joann's haul because we
Oh
didn't.
wait, what else is in here?
Oh.
Oh, that's that other thing.
What is that?
But our total for Joann's was $59.77. He got a
Got a teacher's discount.
teacher's discount because he does teach at the college sometimes. Oh, the scissors were $5.28.
Oh, okay.
And the material was on sale. Oh look, the shirts were on $2.54.
Mm-hmm.
The youth they were $2.54. They weren't.
They were shown on the sign $2.99. You got to watch Joann's. We love shopping at Joann's, but you got to watch because they have this really exorbitant, extremely expensive price that they have on everything, and then they have signs all over the store of discount this, discount that, discount this. Not only do they have that, like everything, a lot of everything was like 40% off this time, and then they have a coupon on their app that says 25% off of your entire purchase, which is cool, but it doesn't count certain things. And then they've got a sewing machine center in the store that's run by another company. It's kind of a lease thing, and their discounts don't apply to that. So
We got $20 off.
I mean, so you got to watch what you buy, but a lot of times you can buy some stuff and get some things. I get big, huge picture frames for real cheap from them, and we get stuff. You know, a lot of times they'll have a lot of discounts, but this is the cheapest we got out of there in a long time.
Yeah, it is. It is really the cheapest. But I'm going to start working because I'm in the process of recreating my craft room, reorganizing. That's on my channel. That's one of the things I'm doing. I had a part 2 yesterday and a part 3 today. Yep. So, and today is just, yesterday was painting, and today is putting it back together. And then I've got some things I've got to go find. I got to find rulers, and have him zip them down to my table, so I can measure that way also, because sometimes I need it. So, anyway. But that's it with our hauls. I hope y'all enjoyed it.
Yep.
We enjoy y'all. Share with your friends, like, subscribe, and
all that and jazz.
Yeah. And we'll see y'all next time.
And that's Julie.
That's Robert.
And it's our thing. You don't care, do you?
No, we
She
really
don't care.
But we do.
She don't care.
No.
All right. See y'all later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.